Hello, welcome back. Now is the part 2 of the continuation of the video that we did in our exciting chemistry lessons by Dr. Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet. Now look at this question. The question says, how many unpaired electrons are there in the manganese atom? This is your mass number, this is your atomic number. Remember, as easy as I'm about to say now, some persons do not understand. Point. Always take note that the mass number is always larger than the atomic number. So if I ratio there's an interchange of it, just always pick the lower one, because the lower one or the smaller number is always the atomic number. Right? Now, we have to take note of the unpaired electrons here. Now, what do you do here? You cannot answer this question when you cannot write the electronic configuration of elements using the orbital notation method, which is the SPDF, commonly called so. Now, if you have not watched my previous video on quantum number or how to write electronic configuration, do well to go watch it now. Or meanwhile, subscribe and like. So let's go. Now, manganese here is 25. So I write the configuration here. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d. This is 25. Here will simply be 5. So that when you add the total number of electrons here, it will be equal to 25, because this element here has no charge, so it's a neutral atom or a neutral element. Now they ask you for how many unpaired electrons. Yeah, simple. Okay, you can also as well condense what you're having here using the template of the noble gases. It can also be like this: 4s2, 3d5. My interest here is to know the number of unpaired electrons. Picture this one out. Here is, remember, the d orbital has 5 degenerate orbitals in the same energy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, according to Hund's rule, each of these degenerate orbitals of sub-level take 1 each. According to Hund's rule, 1 each before they can start to pair. So if it's 5 here, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So of course it is 5 here. So the number of unpaired electrons here is 5, because for something to be this is unpaired, while something like this is paired. Pair means 2. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 unpaired electrons. And this marks the end of this our video. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to see more of my videos, which will be of a great importance to you in later on, even not today. Thank you and God bless you.